Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. My name is Jenna Tungo. So today I'm going to show you how I part my hair for jumbo braids. So my tools for today are my Shine and Jam gel, my rattle comb together with my elastic rubber bands, guys, to just hold my hair into place. So I'll start parting my hair from the back exactly as you can see in the video. So I'm using my mirror and my phone camera to just see what's going on at the back section of my hair, but you can as well use two mirrors. Okay, so after parting my hair, I'll just go ahead and take my Shine and Jam gel, go in where I did my part, and then I'll take my rattle comb once again and just define my line just to make it look as straight as I can, guys. Okay, and guys, just to let you know, my parts aren't going to be as straight and as perfect as maybe you may want them to be, because I'm also learning, and I just decided to do this video so that if anyone, especially for beginners who maybe want to do some box braids, some jumbo box braid, and they don't know how to, so this is just an overview of how I do my parts, guys. So yeah. And another thing, guys, if you feel like your line, or rather your section, is straight enough, don't start going in again, trying to make it perfect, especially if you're just beginning, or if you're learning to, part your hair into sections. So if you feel like your part, or rather your line, is straight enough, just go in and section those boxes, and then go and start working on the next row, guys. Okay, so of course, if you're starting out, you're not going to get them perfect, but with practice and patient, you're going to get it right. Okay, so guys, after I'm done, I'll just go ahead and section my boxes, and I'll be using my elastic rubber band. Make sure you oil your elastic band before you use them on your natural hair. So I've already oiled my elastic bands, and I'm going to secure that. I'm going to secure my boxes with these elastic bands, and then I'll go ahead and start working on the next row. Okay, so I hope you guys are going to learn a thing or two at the end of this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will truly appreciate. Okay, so we are on our second row. I'm just going to do the same thing. Take my rattle comb and just go across and create a line exactly as you can see. And then after that, guys, I will take my Shine and Jam just to help me define my lines, and just to make it look, or rather appear, as straight as I can, because like I told you, I'm also learning, and like I said earlier, my parts aren't going to be like the perfect part, but if I feel like if you're with more practice, you're going to get the hang of it. So I'm still practicing, and I hope that I will perfect my my parting skills. So yeah, so guys, after I've already applied my Shine and Jam gel, I'll go in again my rattle comb, and just to make sure that I get my parts to be as clean as I can, and then I'll go ahead and start creating those boxes. So I'll start sectioning my hair exactly as you can see, then go over with my Shine and Jam gel, and then just to find my my parts and all that, I'll be using my rattle comb. And then after that, guys, I'll section my hair aside and go over and work on the next box. So with this, I'm doing bricklayer technique. Okay, you don't want your braids to be falling on top of each other, rather you want your braid to be falling in between the lines. So that's the whole technique, guys. So I'm going to show you again. I'm just creating my boxes, and for this look, I'm going for some big braid. So you can use this technique for some big knotless braids, or jumbo braids, or twist, whichever braids that you want to do for yourself. And just to remind you, if you have watched this video till here and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And again, when you like this video, it will be shared to other people who want to know how to part their hair. So please consider subscribing if you have watched this video till here, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys, if you like it. So I'm just continuing doing the same process, just sectioning my boxes, going in with my Shine and Jam gel and my rattle comb just to define my lines. okay, or rather just to define my parts, and then I'll just secure that with my oiled elastic rubber band, guys. So yeah, that's the whole technique. And I really hope that you are going to learn a thing or two at the end of this video. If you have never sectioned your hair before, I believe that this is beginner friendly, and I'm just hoping that you're going to learn something at the end of this video, guys. So on to my third row. Just go over again and use my rattle comb just to section my hair. And guys, like I said earlier, if your parts, or rather if you have already sectioned your hair and you feel like it is straight enough, don't start going over, because you're going to mess everything up, guys, and you don't want that. So just create that line, and if whenever you feel like your section is straight, just leave it and go to the next row. So the first row we have 3 boxes, the second row we have 4 boxes, and the third row I'm going to make 4 boxes as well. Okay, so I'm continuing the same process, just sectioning my boxes, going in with my shine and jam gel, and then after my section is like clean enough, I'll go ahead and secure that with an elastic rubber band, guys. And another thing, guys, if you are parting your own hair by yourself, don't be so hard on yourself. At least be happy that at least you are able to like section your hair. So don't be so hard on yourself that you want to make your parts to be as like as perfect as possible, especially if you're starting out just to section your hair. Just be proud, at least you're able to to like section your hair. So guys, I'm continuing the same process, parting my box, go in my shine and jam gel just to define my lines, and then I'm going to secure that with an elastic rubber band. And like I said before, make sure you oil your elastic band before you use it on your natural hair, because you don't want to break your hair in the long run. Okay, so here I am doing the same technique, creating my box exactly as you can see, then go in with my shine and jam gel just to define my line, to make it to just have that neat line. Okay, even if it's not like the perfect part, the perfect line that is, but I will just have to work with this, because this is what I can do at the moment. Okay, so here I am just secure my hair with an elastic rubber band, and I'm going to do the same thing in this last box, secure that as well, and then work with the next row, guys. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, again, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, guys. If you like it, don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to comment down below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. Okay, now on to our front section. I will start by parting a box at my side part of my hair, exactly as you can see in the video. And then once I'm done, guys, I'll go in again with my shine and jam gel, just to make sure that I get my line to be as straight as I can. And then I'll go over with my rattle comb just to just to define my line, and then I'm going to secure that with an elastic rubber band. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this other side of my hair section, exactly like I did on that other side section my hair. Go over with my shine and jam gel just to define my part, and then I'm going to take my rattle comb just to, again, making sure that my part is clean and all that. And then once I'm done, guys, I will go over and take my elastic rubber band and secure that as well. So this is how I section my hair. There are many ways you can part your hair, so this is what I found it easy for me. Okay, so with this front section, so I'll just go over and do a line, going all the way across, exactly as you can see. And then I will go over with my shine and jam gel, and then take my rattle comb just to define my line, to make it look neat. You'll see me doing that. So here I am just going over with my shine and jam gel, and then after that, guys, I'll take my rattle comb, just going over one more time just to define my lines and to make it to make my line appear as neat as I can. And then I will start creating the boxes. So I will allow you guys to watch, and just follow exactly what I'm doing. And this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. So bye for now and take care, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, guys. And before I go, in total I made 23 boxes. So yeah, enjoy the video and I will see you in my next video.